Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Ethereum. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott wave theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities, starting here on 1 hour time frame and with the bullish counts. This bullish count is saying that we have this as 1, 2 and this would be the 3, 4 and looking for that last fifth. At the moment, I'll label this as a 1, 2 here, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into possible third here. However, we don't really have a good looking wave 3 as it is kind of small compared to the wave 1 here. It is larger than wave 1, but it is again in comparison when we are trying to get the wave 3 usually to that 1.618, we can see that we are nowhere clear or close. So it is possible that this is just the wave 1 of this structure. However, again, at that point, it would be a smaller degree larger than a higher degree wave 1, which is, again, not very typical. That's the reason why I prefer this count a bit at the moment, which is saying that we have a possible, again, 1, 2, but instead of 3 being here, we have this as a third, fourth, and fifth, giving us the wave 3 up here. This would get wave 4 here and another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. This would again allow us to have either completed wave 1 here of that wave 5, or the wave 5 would be completing up in here. At that point again, we do have that divergence happening here, which would kind of make sense, and now we would be looking for lower prices. The confirmation for this would be breaking down below the 1563, as that at that point again we can't have this as a wave 1, 2 anymore, so we can't really climb higher with this bullish count at least. But yeah, this is still looking pretty okay. Both these scenarios are still valid. If we are going to be breaking down this previous wave 4 on this bullish count, then again we are risking to get back into this previous wave 1 area. So this here where we are currently at is very pivotal. If we are going to be starting to get up higher, then we can definitely get that last fifth wave up and confirm that this is the more likely bullish scenario over the other one. But yeah, those are the scenarios. This is the key area. Bearish scenario is saying that we have this as an A, B, C into W, 3-way pullback into wave X, and then again A, B, and C. Again, it is possible that we have completed this 5-way structure here into wave Y here already. We're kind of close to the one-to-one extension of this WXY. Did not really get there. Is it possible to still climb correctively? Yeah, kinda. But at that point again, we would have to almost say that this here is a 5-way structure, then 3 and 5. And at that point again, we would have to adjust this whole thing a bit. This definitely feels like a 5-way move here. So what starts with 5 should end with 5 as well. So I guess we could get some kind of a ending diagonal here. Something like this, if we still want to be holding this as the wave Y. Otherwise, I don't really see us having that possibility. Confirmation for this over the other bullish counts would be again same as here. We would be breaking down this previous or this current structure here and taking out these lows and probably starting to head down even more than we already are. That would be bringing us more towards the confirmation that this whole move is done. Same with the other bullish count. This is a bit wonky looking overall. So if indeed this is completed, here are some targets we can see. Again, taking out this 38.2 would basically remove one of the bullish ideas completely out of the table, at least continuing up higher. 0.5 and golden pocket do have some kind of a structures in themselves that would fit the idea of having some kind of reversal. It is not fitting perfectly, this golden pocket, into anything here. We did have some kind of a order block here, but again that is not correctly or right on top of the other order blocks here, or the measurements here for the retracement. So it is very much still possible that we are looking for higher prices overall, as we do not really get any too good confluence around here. The only one that I see is good looking is this 38.2 retracement with a couple of different negative daily point of controls and a daily close as well in here. There's also a order block here that has been tapped into, where we got this move from higher. But yeah, that is pretty much that. Currently, again, I'm not in ETH shorts. I wish I could have taken shorts up here, but yeah, it was like 5:32 AM, something like that for me, so I was not awake at that point. So yeah, I'm still in Bitcoin shorts. Still got one altcoin short, I think, but we'll get into those at the later videos today. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to share on Ethereum at this very moment. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you next video, bye bye.